Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And what an absolutely monster movement today, not only price action-wise, but you look down here at the volume, and huge volume. So needless to say, updates definitely need to be done, so much so that I'm just going to get rid of both these lines. Sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant anymore, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's just try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. First update that needs to be done is just one of the newest areas of support, and what I would call the ideal level. And if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 545. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 545, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 545 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance moving forward? Nothing fancy or complicated here. Party finally stopped today right up there just shy of $5.80, so that'll be the first key level. Whoops. So let's now go to the daily time frame here just to keep things a little bit easier to see, because as you can see here, it has been a long time since the price has been up this high. I mean, we were talking, there we go, multi-year highs. I mean, literally years upon years since the price has been up this high. So next key level of resistance, though, going forward, up around $6.30. So keep an eye on these next couple levels going forward, but I'm sure nobody's complaining about being at multi-year highs. So as long as the momentum and the volume keeps strong, yeah, this thing's going to remain very interesting. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.